Ugadi Shubhakankshalu. This is your host Jasleen Khanuja from Yo India TV at India Community Center for Grand Ugadi celebrations by Bay Area Telugu Association.
Ugadi Shubhakankshalu.
Ugadi Shubhakankshalu.
We have a famous singer from the Telugu film industry, Anjana, right here with us. Welcome to Yo India TV, Ugadi Shubhakankshalu.
Thank you so much. Wish you the same. I'm very happy to be part of BATA event అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఉగాది సెలబ్రేషన్స్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. పొద్దు నుంచి కాంపిటీషన్స్, డాన్స్ కాంపిటీషన్స్, అలాగే సింగింగ్ కాంపిటీషన్స్, మన కల్చర్ని అలాగా కంప్లీట్గా క్లాసికల్, సెమీ క్లాసికల్, ఫిల్మ్ మ్యూజిక్ ఇలా ఎన్నో కేటగిరీస్ పెట్టేసి దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ వాట్ ద బెస్ట్ దే కెన్ డూ. సో పిల్లలకి కూడా చాలా ఎంకరేజింగ్గా ఉంది బాటా ఈవెంట్స్. పొద్దు నుంచి వీఆర్ సో బిజీ విత్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అండ్ ఈవినింగ్ వచ్చి ఉగాది సెలబ్రేషన్స్లో భాగంగా నేను మంచి పాటలు పాడి మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ అలరించడానికి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసాను. వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వండర్ఫుల్ ఈవెంట్. అండ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఉగాది టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ.
చూస్తూ ఉన్నా ఊరు పేరు అడిగేయాలనుకున్నా అంతో ఎంతో ధైర్యంగానే ఉన్నా ఆడో పేడో తెచ్చేద్దామనుకున్నా ఏ మాట పైకి రాక మనసేమో ఊరుకోక అయినా ఈ నాటి దాకా అస్సలు వలగాకునే చందం పక్కనుంటే పడిపోదా పురుష జన్మ.
Very beautiful message, and you are looking so gorgeous. So can I tell, or maybe I can ask you, is this from some particular sponsored boutique, or how do you choose the dress for Ugadi?
Obviously Ugadi is a very special event for South Indians, so especially Telugu people, and I have saved some of the dresses which I love the most and I use it for Ugadi. And this, we are girls and we like dresses. We like the collection. I don't bother so much about the sponsoring. I just buy for myself.
Beautiful. Ask you about Monam and Dukko, the famous song from the film Classmates. Any memories, because I think it's one of your debut songs?
Yes, it's my debut song. It is the wonderful golden opportunity, I can say, from Sri Koti sir. It's my debut song and it's a wonderful, wonderful melody. I sang it with Mallikarjun garu. It's one of my favorites.
So coming to some of your popular songs, Reddy Ikkada Sudu from Arvind Samita. So tell me if you have any fond memories regarding this.
Yeah, I have very precious memories with Reddy Ikkada Sudu, Vana Chinukulu and Varu Veeru. These are the most popular songs of mine. I have wonderful memory with Mani Sharma garu. At the same time, Mickey sir and Taman garu. I'm very fortunate so that these great music director, like trusted my voice and gave me so many opportunities. I wish I could sing more of the film industry songs. Yeah.
We just happened to interview Mickey sir, few weeks back. He was here with Naveen Polishetty and Meenakshi Chaudhary too. They were promoting their movie and the music was from Mickey sir. And he's from California, so so it's interesting that you have worked with him.
So many songs I have worked with him.
Why don't you sing a line for our viewers?
Sure. My most popular song I can say is Vana Chinukulu from Sitama Vakitlo Sirimala Chettu. So I'm going to perform that song with Kazu today. So Vana Chinukulu itta tadipite ettaga agutundi vayase neeti churakalu atta tagilite ettaga lungutundi sogase.
Wow, I'm already dancing. Very nice.
గాలి పల్లకిలో ఇంటి పాటలాగా ఇంటి పాటలోని తెలుగు మాటలాగా ఎంత చక్కగున్నావే లక్ష్మి ఎంత చక్కగున్నావే ఏందయ్య సామి ఎంత చక్కగున్నావే ఏందయ్య సామి ఎంత చక్కగున్నావే నామై మరపు చింతనికి నువ్వేనయ్యావు రాని తెరకు వాసా ఈ కలలకి చేసా నీకోసం వయసు వాకిలి కాసా ఆశలు పోగేసా నీ గుండెకు వచ్చేసా నీ రాతి కొలువులో సిద్ధం చేసా ఎందుకు పుట్టిందో పుట్టింది ఎవరు అంటే ముచ్చట పుట్టింది హృదయం విడిచిపెట్టింది నీ పేరు పెట్టింది మలయాళం మళ్ళీ కట్టింది కోరిక పెట్టింది చావు ముక్కులు కట్టింది చుట్టూ చుట్టేస్తుంది చుట్టూ
So, I really wanted to ask about some of the movies in which you have given the hits, Brahmotsavam, very famous Telugu movie. So, how did you get an opportunity to work in that movie and how was it overall?
Yeah, it's again Mickey says Brahmotsavam, and I sang my portion, and after that, after singing, I don't bother that much about my song will be there or not in the movies. I don't bother that much. My job is to just sing the song how beautifully I can, and just leave it and save the memories. So if that happens to be in a very famous movie, I'm lucky.
How did you actually get started with singing and what made you reach these heights in music?
I think I didn't reach that many heights, but I'm always eager to learn, which is the key for successful artists.
Are you a classical singer also?
Yes, I'm classically trained. I'm also pursuing a master's in music now. So I'm very, very fortunate, and I'm very thankful to God for giving me opportunity to pursue my music step by step, and also very thankful to my family too.
So talk.
ముక్కాలా ముక్కాబలా లైలా ఓ లైలా చిక్కాబలా సుహారలా లైలా ఓ లైలా లవ్కి కాపలా పరువాలతో పాడిలా సింధూర పూల శృంగార
one of the big names, because Ramoji Film City is there in Hyderabad. How do you associate the presence of Tollywood in the overall cinema industry in India and around the world?
Oh, this is a very big question. I don't think I can answer it properly. But Tollywood has its big impact in overall film industry, and I wish we will get all the wonderful awards, Oscars, Grammy awards.
You're already getting Oscar, right? Natu Natu.
Yeah, more number of Oscars and Grammy also for the Tollywood film industry. Yes.
వాన చినుకులు ఎట్టా తడిపితే ఎట్టాగ ఆగుతుంది వయసు నీటి చిరుకలు అట్టా తగిలితే ఎట్టాగ లొంగుతుంది సొగసు ఆగమమ్మో అమ్మో అంత కొరసి అరే అబ్బాయికి ఎంత అలసి నీకు ఫైనాలు వేసి కాలాడి చాలని వచ్చా 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 నీ తెలిసి వాన చినుకులు ఎట్టా తడిపితే ఎట్టాగ ఆగుతుంది వయసు నీటి చిరుకలు అట్టా తగిలితే ఎట్టాగ లొంగుతుంది సొగసు
Let's get to Arvind Sameta and Devdas. I think these are some of the hits you have also sung for. So tell me a little more about how you got a chance in these and something if it draws your memory.
Yeah, I was just going for gym and in India. Then I just got a call, can you come and sing a song? Yeah, of course. Then after coming back from gym, I went to the studio and sang my portion. It took a while to get adjusted to that kind of style in Aravinda Sameta. The people who recorded that song helped me a lot in giving my best. All the credit goes to those people who extracted the best in my singing, and it was I was in cloud nine when I got to hear the news that my song is in movie Aravinda Sameta with the star casting, and another one Vana Chinukulu, that is multi-star casting. I'm super happy and very thankful from the bottom of my heart to Mickey sir.
నీ కాలుగంట నీ నేలంట కుండలంట యా కమాల్ అనేనా ఆకాశంలో పాలకుంటా నీలో ఫుల్లో వాలుకుంటా సంతోషానికి సంతకల యా కమాల్ అనేనా
Yeah.
So any favorite heroine of yours who you think, yes, I like to keep singing for her, or if you have already not had a chance, then who would she be?
Oh, she is Soundarya. She passed away. Unfortunately, I cannot sing for her. Yeah, but I love her.
But among the contemporary ones?
Contemporary ones, actually I don't watch that many movies. I just watch cartoons. So I have favorite cartoon, but I don't have a favorite.
And you yourself are so good looking, I'm sure like you can be a heroine too. I don't know how the scene is in getting into the films, but
This is all makeup. If I remove makeup, no one can see me.
you'll be on the makeup on the sets, with the makeup on the sets as well, right?
వీరు అంత ఇలా చూస్తూ ఉన్నా ఊరు పేరు అడిగేయాలనుకున్నా అంతో ఎంతో ధైర్యంగానే ఉన్నా ఆడో పేడో తెచ్చేద్దామనుకున్నా ఏ మాట పైకి రాక మనసేమో ఊరుకోక అయినా ఈ నాటి దాకా అస్సలు అలవాటులే పడుచుందం పక్కనుంటే పడిపోదా పురుష జన్మ.
Thank you so much for sweet words.
So listen to my heart from Bhimavaram Boladu. Tell me a little more about this because this is an English name.
Yeah. So this song, this movie is music directed by Anup Rubin sir. He's one of the sweetest, lovely personality, a human being. And I sang many number of songs for him. And this is, I think, the first one. Yeah. It's kind of, it has a small western kind of touch. I like it, and you know, everyone tries folk beat or mass number or melody in my voice. For the first time, Anup sir tried something like western, and I liked it.
Can you sing a line for our viewers, please?
ఈ నిమిషం నిత్యమైపోని కాలమిలా కౌగిలైపోని దానన చుక్కలని కనురెప్పలతో తాగని వెన్నెలని. Listen to my heart is beating for you. Listen to my heart is waiting for you, my girl.
Wow, that's really mind-blowing. Very soulful singing. Tell me a little about Yeah. I mean,
Yeah, it's again Mickey Sir's composition. Yeah, it has got 100% a folk slang. Yeah. That one, it has a small modulation, dynamics in the voice. So Mickey Sir conveyed it to me, and I think I delivered my best.
you did. Because it's really a super duper hit. Let me also, in the end, you know, this is one of the main songs I would really not miss. Let me ask you about Naidu Rintikada song.
Yeah, it also has some folk slang. Like that is also Mickey Sir's, that is Mahesh Babu's sir's casting. I'm very happy that I sang to most of the star heroes. Yeah, thank you.
జవాబులేని ప్రశ్నల కితాబునామది మొహమాటమే కాదా పొరపాటి పదే పదే కంగారుగుంటది ఆశపడటం అలవాటు కాదా నిరాశే నిజంగా మన తోడు రాదా చిన్ని చిన్ని సరదా కంగారు లేని ప్రశ్నలకి తాగునామది.
So any projects in pipeline or your dreams that you think would be coming true in the future and you're working hard towards achieving them?
I'm just upgrading myself from yesterday. I don't wait for the opportunities. If opportunities come, I wish opportunities come to me, and I will do whatever best I can do. But I don't have any big dreams. Just upgrading from yesterday to today. Learning is a continuous process. I want to learn every day.
So where are you currently living, and how can people contact you?
Contacting is very easy nowadays in Instagram. I live in Bay Area.
So where in Bay Area are you from?
I'm from Milpitas.
Beautiful. So it's the hometown for this young lady, and we are totally obliged that you are here and you have already made it big in Tollywood. Wish you all the best.
సంబరాలు పంచదే ఉగాది, తుళ్ళి తుళ్ళి పాడుతున్న చిన్ని చిన్ని గుండెలోని కబులని సెలవే ఉగాది. కొత్త కొత్త కోరికేదో చింతకొచ్చి వాడుతుంటే సంబరాలు పంచదే ఉగాది, తుళ్ళి తుళ్ళి పాడుతున్న చిన్ని చిన్ని గుండెలోని కబులని సెలవే ఉగాది.
Any final words to all the viewers of Yo India TV?
Yo India TV, always smile and be happy. Yes.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Thank you.
With a twist. So Majhalo, there is a surprise. You have to guess what the song is. ఎంతమందికి ఫేవరెట్ ఈ పాట?
పుష్యమి పువ్వుల పూజ చేస్తా బుగ్గన చుక్కలతో, ఒత్తిడి వలపుల గంధమిస్తా పక్కలలో. చలి చంపుతున్న చమక్కులో చలి కిందకొచ్చింది, చలి చంతకొచ్చే తలుక్కులో గిలిగింతగిచ్చింది.
Vijay ji and the whole Bay Area Telugu Association team, welcome to Your India TV. And from Bay Area Telugu Association, what's your message?
అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. మా బాటా వారి తరపున బే ఏరియాలోని తెలుగు వారందరి తరపున కూడా ఫర్ ఆల్ ది వ్యూవర్స్ ఆఫ్ యో ఇండియా టీవీ a happy wonderful ఉగాది. And thank you Jaslin ji and team Yo India for being here and part of our festivities. Like always, no festival is complete without your presence. Thank you. And I'll let the team talk about the whole event, but particularly I am so proud of this 55-year journey of Bata, and today being extremely special because it is a 25th anniversary of our youth talent show. 25 years of thousands of kids performing on that stage, and Bata being a catalyst in bringing those thousands of kids year after year to that stage. Several of them, like Avantika, she is a Hollywood star right now, and we have Manisha Erabatini, who is a famous Tollywood singer now, and many more went on to achieve great laurels. And today, particularly being the 25th anniversary of the Youth Talent Show, we had almost 700 plus performers on the stage, and counting. It's still, and the evening,
That's record breaking.
yes it is, and we're still counting with the evening prime time consisting more than 200 plus performers.
పాఠాలు నేర్పించు బయట ప్రయాణాలు
సరసమిక ఎక్కువైతే చచ్చా చిచి తప్పదయ్యో అప్పుడే ఇంత ప్రేమ బళ్ళో అయితే గీతే ఎందుకయ్యో అచ్చులే అయ్యా ఇప్పుడు హొయ్యారే హొయ్యారే హొయ్యాక బేబీ షకలక బేబీ లవ్ చేతో లేదా
ఏకైక డాన్స్ స్కూల్ అని చెప్పాలి, ఎందుకంటే చాలా చోట్ల ఓన్లీ
మజావడీలు చేసి పాడు సోలు ఇక ఆడియోలు వీడియోలు చెవిజోడియోలు సెంచరీలు కొట్టే వయస్సు మాది బౌండరీలు దాటే మనస్సు మాది
షకలక బేబీ షకలక బేబీ
It's amazing, and I take this platform to thank all those amazing parents, the students, and all those dance directors, particularly the Bata cultural team, and all the team members of all the Bay Area Telugu Association from the previous years. Thank you so much.
So 700 plus 200, I'm doing my math, 900 performers just in the youth show.
Yes.
Wow,
And
that's a big wow.
And that also includes dancing, classical, folk, film, as well as traditional and film singing and special talent categories. Yes.
రేపల్లె గోపాల 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 రేపల్లె గోపాల
అనంత సింధూరం అందిస్తాను యాకరే
గోపాల
కొడి కోసం వచ్చావ గోపాల చాని పుట్ట చింతగా చాను గోపాల పుట్ట చేసి కావాలి గోపాల చాని పుట్ట చోట ఉంచాను గోపాల
And Shiva, I love your beautiful kurta. I know you are always a big supporter and you are a great dance performer as well. So tell me, what's the latest and the greatest today?
Oh yeah, it's like you said, right? It's all about dance today. We're still having like 25 years of anniversary celebration. So lots and lots of dancers, the talent the Bay Area has, you'll be spellbound by looking at them, how talented they are, from the chota kids to adults. So it is a great day to be here, especially if you love not just dance, like any kind of cultural activity. And Bay Area Telugu Association proudly gets this kind of youth together like every year, and this is like the 25th. So we are so happy to do this. And the day is still young. We have at least 4 or 5 hours of performances still waiting on the stage. So yeah.
What's your name and how you're feeling at Bata at 55?
Hi, my name is Varun Mukha. I'm Vice President of BATA. So, ముందుగా అందరికీ పరాభవ నామ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. So, it's very colorful, it's very happening, and as Vijay garu mentioned earlier, we proudly say that we are celebrating 25th year of annual youth talent show. So we have close to 1,000 participants, and we have lot of vendors, and they are doing lot of offers, sales, and we have lot of people coming, and we also have a singer performing tonight. So there will be a music concert followed by all the performances. So we are looking forward for more programs happening in the next few hours. Thank you.
Anjura Soumya is a Telugu film industry singer. She has sung over 1,000 songs, and we will soon be watching her wondrous performance as well. So Kondaji, thank you for making the Ugadi cultural celebrations extra special for Bata at 55. And as usual, there is a lineup of dignitaries. Who all are the main people who we can expect today?
Yes, first of all, thank you to Yo India TV for being here and covering the event thoroughly as usual.
To present this Trailblazer Award to Mayor of City of Milpitas, Miss Carmen Montano. Please give a round of applause. Shrilu, are you there anywhere? Shrilu?
Joining us are Shivraj Singh and Bimal Bhagwat. These young men are in the service of the cities. Shivraj is actually now an official candidate for Dublin City Council, and Bimal is already a commissioner in the city of Milpitas. Welcome to Yo India TV. How's the feel here?
Very good feel. Happy Ugadi and happy Navratri, all of you. I'm very excited and I am very thankful you are inviting me at Bata Bay Area Telugu Association. Thank you so much.
First of all, happy Ugadi to everybody. And this is a extremely wonderful festival organized by Bata. And it has been always successful years by years. And I wish them good luck.
Thank you, Jaslin ji. My name is Ramesh Konda. I am one of the advisors of Bata and past president of Bata. Today we are, going to have the host city, Milpitas Mayor Carmen Montano, and also Santa Clara County District Attorney Jeff Rosen, as well as Fremont Mayor Raj Salwan, and several other dignitaries are going to come. But these are the main, and there are already Abhishek Sharma ji came from Consulate General of India earlier. He was here, and there are more members of staff going to be here also from the consulate. So this is going to be a huge event, and as you seen here, the crowd is so excited about the event, and there is a lot more to come in the evening.
So despite the heat out here in the Bay Area, it's above 85 degree Fahrenheit, but it's very cool here because hot ladies are making a very cool presentation, and young kids are adding to the fun, adding to the festivity, adding to the glow and glamour of this wonderful festival of Ugadi. Tell to our viewers a little significance about Ugadi.
So Ugadi is an annual flagship festival for Telugus, and which brings the different tastes in our life. It's not just sweet and butter, but there are
Pachadi.
Yeah, Ugadi Pachadi. It's a combination of different tastes. So what it tells is, life is a mix of all the tastes. So we need to, welcome, and we need to experience. We need to, flow with the, different experiences we will have. So that is the significance of Ugadi, and obviously we all want to wish all good experiences. So this is a good occasion to, pray for the good taste in our, the next life. Future days, in coming days.
Happy Telugu New Year.
I want to share on this occasion, this time we did one special thing. We brought the attorneys from the Bay Area, like 4 prominent attorneys, to speak about current scenario, like be it H1B visa or citizenship or all other questions we had.
Shubhakangshalu. Hello everyone, Kalpana Petty Bottler is right here with us. She is the Executive Director of South Asian American Justice Collaborative, which is a civil rights body for South Asians. You know, with the ongoing activities that are impacting South Asians, like the ICE activities and so many other immigration laws, Kalpana is one of the leading people who are fighting for human rights and who are fighting to get justice to the South Asian community. Welcome Kalpana to Yo India TV with me, Jasleen. First of all, Happy Ugadi.
Happy Ugadi as well. Thank you so much.
So, like, tell me about the latest and greatest of what's going on at your end.
So we're a new national civil rights organization that was formed in 2024 to build basically the first civil rights organization for South Asian communities across the U.S. So with all this increased ICE activity, we've done a lot of work around Know Your Rights programs, but more specifically these days, we're taking up lawsuits and suing the Trump administration. So we're the part of the legal team that brought the first lawsuit related to the H-1B proclamation that Trump imposed the $100,000 proclamation. So we have sued in federal court. We're hoping for a positive decision soon. And in about 2 weeks from now, the U.S. Supreme Court is going to hear the case on birthright citizenship. So some of your viewers may know that Trump, the president, on first day in office, made an executive order stating that babies born to either undocumented mothers or those here on temporary visas would not be considered U.S. citizens. And so our organization wanted to tell the South Asian story, and so we submitted something called an amicus brief that traces our histories in this country and how this order, if it was to turn over 150 years of law in America, would deeply harm our communities and our unborn children.
So, you know, as regards the H-1B, you know, there are changes in the rules. What is the greatest impact that you have seen and how are people mitigating it?
Well, I mean, we're not an immigration services organization, so we're not involved in some of those recent changes. But I think it's part of an overall theme in which this government has taken a false position that the H-1B workers harm the U.S. economy, where we have seen even at the entry-level stages that H-1B workers typically are overall good for the economy. And I have concerns as a South Asian American and as a leader in this field that there's bias that's being created, and that the most regulated visa amongst all business visas is somehow under attack. And so that's our concern, and that's why we filed our lawsuit challenging the government.
Any message to all the viewers of Yo India TV?
Well, I wish, Happy Ugadi, everybody, but I also wish everybody for them to learn more about how to assert your civil rights in this country, how to do so both safely, but also know that we have to fight for those rights if we want to keep them.
Ugadi Shubhakangshalu, keep watching Yo India TV, and thanks again.
Thank you so much.
Make sure he's up there helping us, our community, for the next 4 years. Thank you so much, Jeff.
Thank you, and it's my privilege and honor to invite our Mayor Raj Salwan to. It's like a 3-hour long session with 4 attorneys, and a lot of people joined, and they got to ask their questions, and they patiently answered everything they know. We thank the attorneys who joined us.
Happy Telugu New Year. May the New Year come with blessing and bliss, and may it spread happiness for one and all. This is your host Jasleen Khanuja signing off from ICC Milpitas for now. Till next time, keep watching Yo India TV, have lots of fun, and may God shower abundance and happiness on each one of you. Goodbye for now.
Gopala, Gopala, Repale Gopala.
చెప్పండి.
నిన్ను నేను కలుపుకునేనా పెదవిపైనే పవళించేనా పట్టు పువ్వా పుట్టదేనా నీ నడుం సగం తాకని మమ హర హర హరప్ప హర హర హరప్ప కంచి తాజ్ మహల్